Hey, what's up everyone? This is Chris from Feldmann Imports. Today we'll be taking a look at a certified pre-owned 2017 GLE 350 4MATIC. This one is a cell night gray. Under the hood is a 3.5 V6 pushing out 302 horsepower and 273 pounds of torque. This one has 19-inch 5-spoke alloy wheels. Tires are in excellent condition. Brushed aluminum running boards. A black MB text interior. Sunroof. Coming around back here, you've got a trailer hitch, GLE 350 4MATIC badging, power liftgate, fresh set of floor mats, fold down rear seats, come alongside here. This one is equipped with the Premium 1 package, which comes with blind spot assist, heated seats, Harman Kardon sound system, an anthracite poplar wood trim, heated steering wheel. Let's go ahead and hop in here. We've got our steering wheel controls with Bluetooth capability. It also has smartphone integration with Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. Paddle shifters for extra performance. Navigation, let's go ahead and start it up. Rear backup camera. Your hard dial keys right here. Heated seats. Dual climate controls. Our command center with our dynamic select controls. This vehicle only has 8,236 miles on it. If you'd like to view more photos, check out feldmanimports.com.